Thanks for completing this video. Thanks for liking this video. And of course, thanks for sharing this video to your friends. And before I proceed, my dear, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, my dear, you're going to miss a lot. Because when you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, they notify you when I upload a new video. So I'm requesting you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and you start enjoying good results, good home recipes from this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. And don't forget that this home recipe doesn't have overdose, doesn't have side effects. Children and pregnant women are not supposed to take this home recipe. Okay, so I request you who is watching this video right now, please, I want you to take this home recipe 30 minutes before bedtime. 30 minutes before bedtime. Trust me, you expect good results because it works 100% and it will never disappoint you. So take it 30 minutes before bedtime. You'll experience good results and you'll never be disappointed. So take it and be my witness. I love you so much. May God bless you. See you soon to the next video. Bye-bye.